welcome back to our online classes. Today we are going to start a revision of chapter 3rd and 4th, that is parts of our body and our sense organs. So here we'll see, tick the correct answers. Okay, let's start with first one. It covers our entire body. It covers our entire body. Here options are skin, taste buds, nose. इनमें से किसने हमारी पूरी बॉडी को कवर करके रखा हुआ है? इफ विल सी स्किन, यस, स्किन कवर और एंटायर बॉडी, यस. And if we'll see taste buds are present in tongue. And nose, it is situated at the center of our face. So here skin will be the answer. Skin covers our entire body. Next question. These help us keep healthy. इनमें से कौन हमें स्वस्थ रखता है? Germs? No. Vegetables? Yes. And dirt? No. Vegetable keeps us healthy, है ना? सब्जियां हमें क्या करती हैं? स्वस्थ रखती है. So vegetables keeps us healthy. Now we'll see a system which helps people who cannot see to read. आपको वो सिस्टम बताना है. इन सब में जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं इसमें आपको बताना है कि कौन सा सिस्टम हेल्प करता है उन लोगों की जो लोग देख नहीं सकते हैं. इस सिस्टम की मदद से वो पढ़ते हैं. सो ब्रेल सिस्टम, साइन लैंग्वेज सिस्टम और सेंस ऑर्गन सिस्टम. तो ब्रेल सिस्टम विल बी द आंसर, क्योंकि ब्रेल सिस्टम में क्या होगा, जो लोग नहीं देख सकते हैं वो लोग डॉट्स की हेल्प से पढ़ाई करते हैं. डॉट्स को फील करते हुए वो लोग आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं लेटर्स को, वर्ड्स को. ओके, सो ब्रेल वो सिस्टम है जिसमें जो लोग नहीं देख सकते हैं वो लोग भी पढ़ और लिख सकते हैं. So it is a system of raised dots. Okay, Louis Braille invented the Braille script. Braille is the system which helps people who cannot see to read. Sign language, if we'll see the option sign language. So sign language used for the people who can see. And sense organs, you are aware about this. Okay. Now we'll see the fourth one. They help us to breathe. Out of these options, which organ helps us to breathe? C. Liver, next lungs, and last stomach. Liver helps in digestion and it's the biggest organs in our body. Lungs help us to breathe. Okay, so here the answer will be lungs. And when we'll see the stomach, stomach stores the food we eat, है ना? It helps in churning or breaking down food. Okay, it then mixes the food with juices that helps in digestion. So stomach will not answer, lungs will be the answer. Lungs helps us to breathe. Now fifth we'll see, what sense organ is used for smelling? स्मेल के लिए कौन सी सेंस ऑर्गन की हेल्प लेंगे आप? स्किन? नो. स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील द थिंग्स अराउंड अस. टंग? इट हेल्प्स अस इन taste. And nose, yes, nose is the sense organ which is used for smelling. Okay, now we'll see the next one. It pumps blood. Let's see. Which organ help us to pumping the blood? Kidney? No. You know kidney helps in filtering the waste out of the blood. You know kidney, they filter the waste out of the blood. Heart, which helps in pumping. It pumps blood to different parts of the body. हार्ट क्या करता है? आपके ब्लड को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में कैरी करने में हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो हार्ट क्या करेगा आपका? एक पंपिंग ऑर्गन है. हार्ट इज अ पंपिंग ऑर्गन. इट हेल्प्स इन पंपिंग द ब्लड. एंड हेयर लीवर, so we all know that it helps in digestion and one of the biggest organ. Okay, so we'll see next, taste buds. Okay, taste buds are present on the taste bud कहाँ present होती है? We have discussed earlier that taste bud are present in tongue. कहाँ present होंगी? tongue में. Not in nail and toes. ना ही नाखूनों में, ना ही अंगूठों में. ठीक है, ये कहाँ present होंगी? In tongue. Now next is, it helps in churning or breaking down food. Just we have discussed that stomach is help in churning or breaking down food. Stomach क्या करता है? खाने को तोड़ने में, उसे अच्छे से मिक्स करने में हेल्प करता है. So here the answer will be stomach, not kidney and lungs. Kidney help in filtering and lungs help in breathing. Here stomach will help in breaking down the food. Now, people who cannot hear or speak use this language. जो लोग नहीं सुन सकते हैं और ना ही देख सकते हैं, वो लोग इनमें से किस भाषा का प्रयोग करते हैं? स्पोकन, साइन लैंग्वेज और ब्रेल. Here the perfect or most appropriate answer is sign language. Okay, so sign language used by the people who cannot hear or speak. Okay, now we'll see our last question, that is, our sense organ works with the help of. हमारी जितनी भी सेंस ऑर्गन है वो किसकी मदद से ये सारा काम कर रही है? वो एक कोऑर्डिनेशन के साथ किसकी मदद से सारा काम परफॉर्म करती है? लाइक ईयर्स हेल्प अस टू हियर. हाउ? आईज हेल्प अस टू सी द वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड, द कलरफुल वर्ल्ड. हाउ? टंग हेल्प अस टू टेस्ट. स्किन हेल्प अस टू फील. ओके, so how all the sense organs are performing their functions? These all sense organs are working properly with the help of the brain. Okay, not a braille or ear. The answer will be brain. Okay, now let's discuss about true false. Now let's see true or false. Fresh fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. It's true. Yes. Fresh fruits and vegetable keeps us healthy. Lungs help us to digest food. No. Lungs help us to breathe. Okay. So it's false. Our ears help us to hear. क्या हमारे कान हमारी सुनने में मदद करते हैं? Yes, it's true. Braille is a system of hearing. No, Braille is not a system of hearing. It is a system. It is a system of raised dot which helps in learning. It is a system of raised dot which helps people who cannot see to read and write. Okay, तो ब्रेल कोई हेयरिंग का सिस्टम नहीं है. we should be sensitive towards differentially abled people. Most of the peoples who cannot see, those peoples who cannot see, hear or speak, okay, so they are differentially able peoples. Some people need wheelchair to move around, okay. They have many talents with little understandings. They can do wonderful things on their own. So we call them differentially abled. You know, differentially abled people need care, support, encouragement rather than sympathy. Okay? So we should show encouragement, care, support. We should sensitive towards differentially abled people. So its answer is true. Okay? So this was the revision worksheet of chapter 3rd and 4th. Okay, so do practice more and more because knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Thank you.